Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I'm your host Isa. Today, we're talking about something we all struggle with at some point in our lives. Laziness and how it can quietly steal our time, our opportunities, and even our dreams. The topic of this episode is how to stop being lazy and wasting your life. Now, let's be honest. Laziness feels comfortable. Scrolling endlessly on social media, binge-watching shows, or putting off important tasks. It gives us instant relief. But in the long run, it makes us feel guilty, unproductive, and stuck in the same place year after year. So how do we break out of this cycle? Step 1. Recognize the cost of laziness. Every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. Think about it. Time is the most valuable resource you have. Money, success, even health can sometimes be regained. But wasted time, that's gone forever. Ask yourself, if I keep living like this, where will I be in 5 years? Step 2. Start small, but start now. One of the biggest lies laziness tells us is I'll start tomorrow. The truth is, tomorrow never comes unless you act today. Don't try to do everything at once. Begin with small, simple actions like making your bed, writing down a to-do list, or just spending 15 minutes on something productive. Tiny steps build momentum, and momentum beats laziness every time. Step 3. Remove temptations. Distractions feed laziness. If you want to stop wasting your life, you have to take control of your environment. Put your phone away when working. Unsubscribe from things that waste your time. And create a space where productivity feels natural. Out of sight, out of mind really works. Step 4. Build discipline, not motivation. Here's the truth. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll feel inspired, other days you won't. That's why discipline matters more. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it. Over time, discipline becomes a habit, and habits shape your life. Step 5. Remember your why. Ask yourself, why do I want to change? Maybe you want a better career, to improve your health, to support your family, or to fulfill a lifelong dream. When your why is strong enough, laziness becomes too expensive to afford. At the end of the day, laziness isn't about being weak or lazy forever. It's about being trapped in a comfort zone. But the good news is, you can step out of it. All it takes is one decision, one action, and the courage to keep going. So, my challenge to you is this. The moment you finish listening to this podcast, do one thing. Just one. That brings you closer to the life you want. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this episode inspires you to stop wasting your time and start creating a life you're proud of. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who might need a little push too. Until next time, this is Isa, reminding you, don't waste your life. Live it fully.